Hi guys, Chef Adam here. It's bee season. I got new bees. It's been about 3 weeks and checked on the hive, and I have some comb that collapsed. This is comb from last year's hive, and what has happened is it is separated from the bar and has dropped down into the hive. There is a repair that a guy on YouTube posted, and it's brilliant. This is the solution. Hair clips. So I went to the dollar store. I got these hair clips. What he says to do is zip tie them. I have some fresh bars, so I wanted to do this in advance because it's not so easy to do with your bee suit on and gloves, because the bees will be fired up. And if you see here, I'm not going to do this in my shorts and flip-flops. I'll definitely put some pants on. You want to get the basic hair clips, bigger the better, and no bling. You don't need like rhinestones and whatnot on them. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go and I'm going to pull out that old comb. I'm going to open up the jaws. I'm going to put the wax in there and close the jaws up. What the bees will do is they'll reattach the comb. They won't like the hair clips, but you know, they'll just be like, okay, whatever. I can come in there a couple weeks later and see if they've done that, and then I'll cut the zip ties and I'll cut this out, and then they'll continue and fill it in. So that's the plan. We'll be out at the hive installing this. I'll be all suited up with pants on. Got the bar set up, ready to go, and hopefully I can do this relatively quickly. I also have some sugar syrup that I'm going to feed them. I'm really wanting to make sure they get plenty of winter stores for this year. I don't want to have any starvation issues. It is tick season here in Michigan, and as you can see already, I got a tick climbing up this little bin. That's a big dog tick. Dog ticks, they say, don't carry Lyme's disease, but they still suck. Make sure there's no bees in here to begin with, and we'll get rock and rolling. This is sugar water. I'm using this instead of smoke. Smoke stresses the bees out, makes them think their home's about to burn down. Instead of creating both a fight and flight panic, I'm going to try and mellow them with a little sugar water. They basically will lick it off of each other, as opposed to hopefully not attacking me. You know, like, hey, attack the big guy in the white suit, or lick sugar water off my sister's back. You know, not sure where you're from, but maybe that second option is more appealable. That's a word. Get it on. This is the bar that it broke from. They're doing some interesting combing. Because the comb pattern is not ideal, this might get melted down. This one's specially designed for the top bar hive. Cut the comb away, and the other tool is more for the traditional Langstroth hive. When they feel that new air come into the hive, that will excite them. As you can see here, I put this in with no comb on it 2 days ago. That's how much comb they can build in 2 days. They are busy little buggers. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. There's the collapsed comb. And they're already fusing it to the other comb. So I'm going to try and remove that. Hopefully I can do no harm. They are pissed. I don't blame them. I have no idea what to do. And they seem to know that they can sting me through my gloves. Oh, man. Jesus. Okay, guys, I'm back. This time with smoke. Give them a little puff. Angry bees. They are upset. I've put 2 layers of gloves on. It seems they can't sting through that. But they're all over that comb. I gotta get it out of there. It's just kind of a disaster, so these girls are never gonna forgive me, but it's gotta be done. Alright, this is where they get really fired up. I gotta cut comb. I love you. Alright, I got it out. Now I gotta reattach it. So it's loaded with brood. I can't. This is the most valuable thing for the hive. I'm as amazed as you are. I'm now going to put the bar back. I'm sorry. There were several bee deaths in this process of filming this. I am totally and 100% don't want to kill my bees. And I realize that having a hive means you have to do that. That's how you repair the bar. I'm going to put it back together. I love you girls, and the few of you guys that are lucky enough to be droned out. Boy, put some pants on!